And now tip number 4 for getting the lowest possible ACT score. We're going to want to be as unfamiliar with the structure of the test that we possibly can be. We're going to want to have no idea what is tested on each section, no idea how many questions are on each section or how much time we have to answer each question. So since we want to flip this thinking on its head to get the highest possible ACT score, we're going to want to be familiar with the ins and outs of the structure of the test. So this is knowing that the English section is the first section that's asked about. This is 45 minutes to answer 75 questions. On the math section, this is knowing that it's 60 minutes for 60 questions, but that it's not actually just 1 minute per question because the questions get more difficult as we move through the test. And then moving on to the reading section, we have to know that this is 35 minutes to answer 40 questions. There's going to be 10 questions per passage. We have about 8 minutes per passage, give or take. And finally, we have the science section. Again, this one is also 35 minutes to answer 40 questions, but there will be 6 or 7 passages instead of the 4 on the reading section. If we're locked in on the structure of the test and we're very familiar with what each section looks like, then there's really nothing that can surprise us. And there's no reason that we're going to be caught off guard and miss random questions that we shouldn't be missing because we're unfamiliar with the test.